Welcome back, everybody, to Hardy Boy Lifestyle. As you know, we got rid of the 1.6 turbo Sonata and upgraded to the 2021 Hyundai Sonata Inline. Today, what we want to do is take the intake off of the old one and put it on the new one. I believe it could still fit, so we're going to find out today. This is the new 2021 Inline that replaced the 1.6T Sonata Limited. Now, the 1.6T was 3,300 pounds, so it was lighter than this one. This one weighs at 3,552, but this one has the quad dual exhaust. It comes with 19-inch Pirelli P0 tires, 245/4019s, 8-speed wet dual clutch transmission with the rev matching, so every time you downshift you stay in that power band. So this car is a monster compared to the 1.6T. I swapped the 20-inch by 8.5 wheels on here, so they're 245/35/20s on here. This car is at 290 crank with 311 foot-pounds of torque to those wheels. So the new Sonata Inline is a monster, and we are going to make a project out of this. Today we're installing a K&N air filter on there because I'm impatient, and it's going to be 90 days at least before my guys at 6 Element down South Carolina comes out with a production model intake. So here we go. '21 Hyundai Sonata Inline. We kept the wheels off of the black one. I will let y'all know soon where that is available to buy if you want. It will be for sale. And here's the heart of the beast: 2.5 liter turbocharged. And see how this is basically still the same. So all we're going to do is get rid of the box and put the filter on after the sensor, so it should not throw any codes like it didn't on the other vehicle, and we should all be good. It should be same bolts, I believe, which is I believe a 10 millimeter. Yeah, take this one out right here. That one there. Then we're going to unhook the ram air, and that's it. So today we're going to install a K&N filter and get rid of this box, so there's less restriction. It's pretty easy. You have 2 plugs right here that is stick in. That'll take the forced ram air off. Then we have a bolt here and a bolt here that will loosen the box up. Then we're going to unscrew this to loosen this up, pull off the hoses, pull this whole thing out, take the master sensor off, and we're going to hook that up to the K&N filter, and then we're going to put it back on. This is only a temporary fix until my guys at 6 Element down South Carolina come out with their full intake for this vehicle, which should be in the next 90 days hopefully. So all you need is a ratchet set with 10 millimeter socket, and I have a 12 millimeter socket because of the cover. That's the size I need for this. If I don't put this on, then you're only gonna need a 10, and that'll get everything off. The filter I'm going with is the K&N, and this is, I believe, the 4-inch inlet. These are very easy. They're just push button clips. So let's start. You want to make sure you put this back on where it has the marking airflow arrow pointing back into the motor, because that's where you want it to go. Now this is obviously too big, so let's get the 3-inch. This is a little snug. So the 3-inch one ended up fitting on here. The 4-inch was too big. What we're gonna do, plug this back up. And there you go, it's all done. That's simple. Start up, make sure we don't have no check engine lights or anything on. Don't want to lose your screws, because when the time comes for the full replacement by 6 element, that we can just go ahead and mount that all in, and you use the factory 2 screws to mount the one end that they're going to be developing within the next 90 days. Sounds good. Take it out for a test drive, make sure no lights come on, and go from there. Alright, so take it for a little test drive. Gonna look a little highway real quick. Up the high speeds, and see if you get a check engine light or anything on. So we got it up to about 140, 141. No check engine lights, accelerated good. You can really hear the stock blow-off valve pretty good. Even when windows up and AC on, I got like on high, I can still hear it a little bit. Give it some gas to get off, you can hear it. I'm impressed. This will have to do for now. You know, again, to my guys down there, 6 Element come out with their cold air intake. Should be about 90 days, and then I will be getting that and installing that one. So now we're going to head back and do another pull and see what happens. Make sure we don't get any check engine lights. one that I traded in for this, the 1.6T turbo limited. It would get to 130 but kind of struggle. This gets to 130 with no problem at all. Very easy. There's nobody on the road coming up, but there's people on the road coming back, so of course we gotta be safe. Take it easy, but still good, nothing so far. So we completed the test run. Everything's fine. No check engine lights or anything. And like I was saying, you can even hear the factory blow-off valve even better with this air intake on. You might not can see it, but the factory blow-off valve is right down there. I'll give you a little start up so you can hear it. Give it a couple revs so you can hear the stock blow off valve. Hopefully that came out good, but you know, over the mic on this GoPro. But that's it for now. Until 6 Element come out with theirs, we'll be going back, pulling that out, and then installing theirs. But that's 90 days. I'm being impatient, so I want to do something now. You know. Until next time, I'll see you guys then.